Okay, I'm hungry. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Allie Can Cook featuring Mama McManus. As you can see, Mama McManus is not with me today, and that is because she is away on vacation right now up at our family farm. I didn't want to get behind on our video schedule, so I decided to film a few episodes without her. And the theme of these episodes are actually things that I would eat when my mom isn't home. So whenever she's home, she usually cooks a little bit more elaborate meals. We experiment a bit more. I keep it somewhat simple. So I figured tonight I would show you guys what I was gonna make for myself for dinner and just share the recipe with you, because this is a classic meal I would have. It is a summer mango salad. Not mango, oh my gosh. It's a summer peach salad. Peaches right now are in season, and I have been obsessed. I think I've had 3 peaches already today, which I'm not sure if that's the best for you, but I'm just going with it because I love them. If you guys want to see how I make my summer peach salad, keep watching. So the first thing I start off with is a base of chopped kale. I just bought this at our local grocery store, Longo's. It comes pre-chopped, pre-washed. Perfect, you just add it to your bowl. Then after I add in the kale, I usually like to add some sort of grain to my salad and bowls. What I'm using today is called bulgur. This is what it looks like. It's kind of just like a grainy rice. You make it the same way that you would make quinoa. It's really great for you. It also has a lot of flavor. When you cook it, you actually cook it with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then also I always add a little bit of vegan butter, but you can always add coconut oil as well. So I'll probably add in about half a cup of this pre-made bulgur that I've had that I chilled. And then I'll start to add my toppings. So for this salad, I'm going to be adding peaches, broccoli, carrots, cucumber, and avocado. So I always like to chop up my ingredients fairly small when I'm making a salad. I don't know, I just like smaller bits of lots of vegetables than giant bites of other ones for some reason. I'm going to add in my vegetables now, so I'm just going to add in some peaches here. Love some peaches. I always like to add some sort of fruit to my salad and bowls just to give it a bit of sweetness. Then I'll add in some chopped broccoli. Tonight I didn't have time to pre-season my vegetables, but usually what I'll do is I'll chop up the broccoli, the carrots, and the cucumber at least, and I'll soak it in some lemon juice. But that's okay, you don't need to do that because we're gonna add a dressing on it. So then I'm gonna add in some chopped carrots. Then I'll add in some chopped cucumber, and this cucumber is actually pretty special to me because one of our customers gave it to me from her garden. So Heather, if you're watching this, thank you for the fresh cucumbers and tomatoes. They are awesome. So I'm just adding those in here. And then lastly, I'm just gonna add in some chopped avocado. And as you can see, I don't have exact measurements for these. I kind of always just do about like 1/4 to half a cup of each vegetable. I more or less go by the bowl and how hungry I am. I'm pretty hungry tonight, which is why I'm making a decently sized bowl here. After I add my veggies in, I like to make a quick dressing. One of my favorite dressings that I've been having a lot this summer is lemon, red wine vinegar, and olive mixture. So what I usually do is just take 1 lemon and squeeze it into a clear glass here. So I just have a little bowl. Then I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Again, just eyeballing it. Then I'll add in about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm not super precise about this, maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons. I kind of just go with the flow when making salad dressings. The lemon is the flavor I want to be the most prominent, so I always just use more of that and then add in little bits and pieces of others. So some of this lemon, pepper, spice, and probably like a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of that. Take a fork and kind of mix it up together. Taste it a little bit with my finger. Perfect. And then after you make your dressing, drizzle it over top of your salad. And then the last step, something that I always do, is add salad topper. So this we just got from Costco, I believe, and it has sunflower seeds, cranberries, pumpkin seeds, and tamari. It's always nice to add a little bit of nuts and seeds to your salad, get some extra protein in there, a little bit more of a crunch. So I kind of just drizzle that over top. Again, nothing too precise here. That looks good. Oh, I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat this. Now, as you guys can see, this is pretty quick to make. Probably took me 5 minutes to chop up my vegetables and then 5 minutes to assemble it. So a really simple, easy, healthy salad. This is the final product. Obviously I'm going to mix it up, but I like to always take a couple nice photos before I do. I honestly make salads like this all the time for lunch and dinner. I find it keeps me fueled, and it's a really great healthy dinner option or lunch option for you, especially in the summer when it's so hot out. It's nice to have something very light and refreshing, and peaches are in season and eating in season is always really great too. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. We make new videos every single Thursday, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.